Hey, you can get your ThinkerThunker t-shirt right down here in my shop below, or find ThinkerThunker on Amazon.com. Thanks. Hey, this ThinkerThunker. Check this out. See if this sounds like any dog you've ever heard. Let's check it out. All right, this video is posted on my forums here on ThinkerThunker.com by Thomas V. Thank you so much, Thomas. And if you have a video you believe deserves a good, thorough look, post it here. And let's give this video a look and listen. Could you hear that? Just barely audible howl. And if we go check out the video on YouTube, Strange Unknown Noise caught on video, posted by Stargell Blackstar. Give Stargell a subscribe, a thumbs up. This thing has almost 2 million views, posted October 3rd, 2019. So there's an amazing amount of interest here. What all does Stargell do? It looks like, based on his videos, he's got 2 versions of this, and it looks like he is a musician. Okay, so here is the audio file, the wave file for that recording, and it doesn't look like much. In fact, the loudest things we see here is the baby. Now, that was the baby yelling back at the howls, which you can barely hear. And here is the spectral analysis of that view. And what I'm going to do, the 3 cleanest howls here, or the 4, are these guys right here. So I'm going to take those, get rid of everything else, and now I'm going to boost the signal on all of these guys. Okay, now look at that. Now we've got a nice, proper looking wave file. And if we listen to these, so that's a much better listen, but unfortunately it boosted all the noise too. So I'm going to get rid of some of that. Now, in a perfect world, all we would be seeing are these 4, the purple and blue there. And all of this green and yellow and all that, that's all just trash. That's just noise. That wouldn't be there. So what I'm going to try to do is get rid of as much of that background noise as I can. So we've gone from here to here. That sound like a dog to you? That's one big dog. And this spectrograph, it might look like some postmodern psychedelic art, but have a listen. Wolf howl. Those bands are the harmonic layers or levels of those tones, the wolf tones. Amazing. Okay, now here again is the wolf. Here's dog. And unmistakable bear. Now the thing is, you can see each one of these sounds is like a fingerprint, you know, like a sonic fingerprint. And you can clearly tell them apart. Look at the dogs again. It fades, it starts fading down, and the bear is just one big, thick, massive sound. The wolf, it just, these bands. Just kind of meander up and down. But this looks nothing or sounds nothing like any of them. Okay, there is one more comparison I want to do for you. On the left is today's Howl from Ontario, and over here on the right is from a video I did back in October called Screaming Sounds in the Woods of Georgia. Let's have a listen. Now, they don't sound identical, but you and I don't sound identical. You know, there's no reason to assume they would sound exactly the same either. But look, these prints, they just look alike to me, and they match up on the same frequency levels, which is pretty amazing. Let's hear them one more time. So we've got essentially the same sound footprint from something 1,600 miles apart, two somethings. All right, that is all I've got. Your time to weigh in. What do you think this is? A man in a monkey suit? Nope. I can't say or prove what it is, but I know it's not that. All right, special thanks again to Thomas V for posting this on ThinkerThunker.com in the forums. If you find an audio file, video, anything, if you've got an amazing story you want to tell the world, post it over on the forums in ThinkerThunker.com. You can log in with your YouTube username and password. Super easy. Special thanks, as always, to my patrons over at Patreon.com. They make all new videos possible. Their generosity, their support, and you could be a patron too for as little as $1 a month for as long as you want to participate. What else? Don't forget to get your t-shirt down below. That helps so much too, and you get a t-shirt out of the deal. All right, guys. Take care, everybody. Thanks for watching.